Hello guys, welcome back once more to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online learning tricks and tutorials. This video is concerning the ProxyUniverse bot. I made a video about how to buy cheap proxies, and still some people don't understand why I say that buying proxies from ProxyUniverse bot, this one, is cheaper than buying those particular proxies from their own proxy sites. For example, now on ProxyUniverse bot here, you can see that the cost for 200 IPs is around $13.3. But if you go to the actual Pia Proxy site here, the price for 200 IPs is $50. So you see, by buying your proxies using the ProxyUniverse shop, and I'm going to post again the link to the ProxyUniverse shop under the video description. You can click on it. It will take you to Telegram, whereby you'll be able to see this page whereby you can be able to purchase the CDK keys, which you go to your Pia S5 proxy software, whereby you redeem your key in order to get the particular IPs you buy. So you can see, yeah, this is how you do it. So the same applies for ABC proxies. You can see on the for 200 IPs, for 204 IPs or 65 IPs, they cost around $51. And if you go to the ProxyUniverse bot, let's go back. Now you can buy now ABC proxies here. Click on ABC proxy, and you can see that the price for 200 IPs is $12.6. You can compare the site here. You see, the main site is very expensive, but under the ProxyUniverse shop you get discounted prices, highly discounted prices. So the same applies for all the sites listed here. You can be able to buy proxies on ProxyUniverse shop at a very discounted price. So for example, now for 10 IPs you can be able to buy them for 70 cents or $0.7. 200 IPs, 50 IPs, 100 IPs, 200 IPs. And you can see from the main site, they don't allow the capability of buying less than 200 IPs. So be sure to use the ProxyUniverse shop. I'm promoting them because they're offering legit services. In my previous video, I showed you how to buy IPs from ProxyUniverse shop. In this video here, I showed you guys on how to buy proxies from ProxyUniverse shop and how to load them on either your Pia S5 proxy software or ABC S5 proxy software. So those asking the advantage of using ProxyUniverse shop, that's the main advantage. The main advantage is having very discounted prices than the actual proxy sites here. So guys, be sure to check out ProxyUniverse shop and be able to load your proxy sites with many IPs at an affordable price. So if you like my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share my videos, feel free to comment, ask me anything, and I'll be happy to help where I can. So thank you for watching. See you on my next video.